Yes, students. Now, next reaction of aluminium, zinc and iron with water. So, aluminium and zinc, they do not react with, neither it will react with cold water nor with hot water. So, these metals, because the reactivity still decreases. So, these metals, aluminium, zinc and iron, they do not react, neither they react with cold water nor with hot water. So, they will react with what? They will react with steam. These metals, they will react with steam. And again, when metals react with water, the gas evolved will be the same. Which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. Along with it, in place of metal hydroxide, what will be formed? Metal oxide. Okay. So, aluminium when reacts with steam, when steam is passed through aluminium metal, then it will react with water. And what is formed? Metal oxide. So, aluminium oxide is formed, Al2O3. And here zinc, when it will react with water, when steam is passed through it, then it will react with water. And what is formed? Metal oxide. So, what is formed? Zinc oxide. And which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. Okay. Now, you have to balance it. How many oxygen here? 3. This side 1. You will add in front 3. Now, this 3 is for hydrogen and for oxygen. Oxygen becomes 3, but hydrogen 3 2s are 6. This side 2. In front you will add 3, so 3 2s are 6. Aluminium 2. This side 1, you will add in front 2. Next here, how many oxygen atom? 1. Here also 1. Hydrogen 2, zinc 1, zinc 1. This is already balanced. So, what do you observe? Aluminium and zinc, neither they react with cold water nor with hot water. So, they react with what? Steam. And which gas is evolved? Same for all metals. Hydrogen gas is evolved. And in place of metal hydroxide, what is formed this time? Metal oxide. Okay. Now, next, when you come to iron, the reactivity still decreases. So, here red hot iron, steam is passed through red hot iron, then it will react with it. Otherwise, with cold water or hot water or with steam, it won't react. So, to make it react, what we have to do? Red hot iron, steam is passed through red hot iron. Then it will react. And which gas is evolved? Same, hydrogen gas. And in place of metal hydroxide, here again what is formed? Metal oxide. And the iron oxide formed will be iron 2,3 oxide. Means it is a mixture of Fe3O4. Fe3O4, iron 2,3 oxide. It is a mixture of ferrous oxide and ferric oxide. This already I explained earlier. This ferrous oxide is FeO and ferric oxide is Fe2O3. Ferrous means which valency of iron is used here? 2. And ferric oxide means which valency of iron is used here? 3. But this oxide, iron 2,3 oxide, is mixture of ferrous and ferric oxide. 2 plus 1, 3, Fe3. 3 plus 1, 4, O4, Fe3O4. It is mixture of ferrous oxide and ferric oxide. So, red hot, when steam is passed through red hot iron, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas, and along with it, what is formed? Iron 2,3 oxide. Okay, now you have to balance it. How many oxygen atom? 4. This side 1. In front you will add 4. Now this 4 is for hydrogen and for oxygen. Now oxygen becomes 4. Hydrogen 4 2s are 8. In front you will add 4, 4 twos are 8, iron 3, this side 1, in front you will add 3. Now the equation is balanced. So students, today we discussed two chemical properties of metals. First, reaction of metal with oxygen. So when metal react with oxygen, what you get? Metal oxide, and metal oxides are basic oxides, because metal oxide when dissolved in water form alkali. So metal oxides are basic in nature. And second chemical property which we discussed today is reaction of metal with water. So metals when react with water, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. Along with it, what is formed? Metal hydroxide or metal oxide. So potassium, sodium, calcium and magnesium, when they react with water, what is obtained? Metal hydroxide. But aluminium, zinc and iron, they neither react with cold water nor hot water, they react with steam. And in place of metal hydroxide, what is obtained? Metal oxide. And gas evolved is the same, hydrogen gas. So metals when react with water, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. Okay. So students, in the next period we'll continue with chemical properties of metals, and there we will discuss the third chemical property of metal, that is reaction of metal with dilute acids. Okay.